This is my review for chapters 18 and 19. In chapter 18, it's all about speaking on special occasions. It talks about how your speeches on special occasions may convey information or persuasion, but that's not its primary purpose. The primary purpose is that it needs to fit special needs of the special occasion. There are speeches of introduction, and it tells you that whenever you give a speech of introduction, you should provide enthusiasm for the upcoming speaker and topic. You should also establish a well-rounded speech which boosts the credibility of the main speaker. There are guidelines in speeches of introduction. One is to be brief and focus on the main speaker, not the introduction speaker. Make sure your remarks are completely accurate, so make sure you ask the main speaker if everything is appropriate and all the information is correct before providing it to an audience, and make sure you practice beforehand. Adapt remarks to the occasion, speaker, and audience, and try to create a sense of anticipation and drama, which will really catch the attention of the audience. Then it goes on to talk about speeches of presentation. This is when someone receives a gift or an award or some other kind of public recognition. There are speeches of acceptance. This is whenever a person will give thanks for a gift or an award, so you need to make sure that you give and thank people for the people who gave you the gift or award and recognize the people who helped you get it. Then it talks about commemorative speeches, which is the one that we have this week. This kind of speech is about praise and celebration. Your aim is to pay tribute to a person, group of people, an institution, or an idea. You will have to give the audience the proper information about this topic and put emotion into it at the same time. In chapter 19, it's about speaking in small groups. The minimum is around 3 and the maximum can be around 12. Small groups assemble for a specific purpose. A purpose-solving group is formed to solve a particular problem, and it exists in every area of life. It goes on to talk about the leadership in small groups, and there's different kinds of leadership. There's implied leadership, which is whenever the members will defer to a person with the highest rank or the greatest knowledge in that topic. Emergent leadership, which is the person who has the personality and ability to be able to be a leader in the group, or a designated leader who is chosen out of the group. There's also functions of leadership. There are 3 sets when it comes to being an effective speaker and leader. There's procedural needs, task needs, and maintenance needs. These 3 were very effective and accurate because, as being the leader of the majorette line, a lot of the information was a bunch of stuff that I had to do, and I found that very helpful. It also goes on to talk about how everyone will have responsibilities in a small group and how to display or how to figure out who's going to do what job. There's also the reflective thinking method, which offers a step-by-step solution for discussion and problem-solving groups. There are 5 steps. The first is to define the problem. Second, analyze the problem. Third, establish criteria for the problem. 4, generate potential solutions. And 5, selecting the best solution. That's what I learned in chapters 18 and 19. Thank you.